All right, let's talk about how to pick a niche in 2025. So I have a step-by-step way on how you can pick a niche. Everybody wants to know what niche is profitable, what's the best way to pick a niche. Here's what I want you to do. Grab a piece of paper, something to write with. I want you to list out 10 things that you're really good at. List out the 10 things you're really good at. Now, I want you to go and put a star next to all the things that you've paid money to get better at that certain thing. Maybe you coach soccer and you've paid to get some soccer plays or something to help you be a better soccer coach. All right, so out of that list of 10, pause the video if you need to. Make a star or put a star next to everything out of that 10 that you've actually paid to get better at. Maybe you are really good at cooking and you've paid to take a couple cooking lessons. All right, now out of those things, those 10 things that you've put stars with, I want you to list the 2 or 3 that you are the best at. So take 2 or 3 of those things that you put a star next to. Maybe you only have 2 or 3. All right, put that in another list. And you should have 1, 2, or 3 things. All right, if you only have 1, great, perfect. If you have 2, just pick whichever one you're the best at. Then you're going to create a YouTube channel on that one thing. Now, I bet you could write everything you know about this topic. All right, so let's just say the topic is basket weaving. Okay, so what you want to do is write as many broad topics on basket weaving that you know. Maybe one topic is where to get materials. One topic is how to make a certain weave. One topic is what kind of baskets to make. Each of those big topics that you just wrote down will be a video on your channel. Make sure you get at least 10 of those, okay? Shoot those 10 videos, upload them to your channel. I wouldn't necessarily publish it just yet. Maybe just publish one, but have the other ones there under unlisted. All right, and that's your niche. That's your niche that you're gonna focus on. So when you focus on that one niche, we can start to then search that niche, basket weaving plus affiliate products. All right, affiliate products will help you sell. Amazon stuff will help you sell. But first, let's just focus on your niche. Let's not put the cart before the horse. We want to start to make content for that niche, and that will be the one that we're going to focus on. Now, further you get along, the more steps we want to follow. So that's why you follow this channel, and we start to kind of walk through how to make certain channels profitable. It's more than just with AdSense and stuff. A couple of my channels, I sell some digital products. They make money. We start to build an email list, all those good things, okay? But that's how you pick a niche right now, 2025. Put that in there. Make the list of 10. Make anything that you've paid for to get better at. Pick the top 1 or 2 things. Then pick the first thing that you're the best at, and you're going to start to make a channel, a YouTube channel on that, all right? Don't overcomplicate this. Don't get stuck when you're trying to pick a niche. A lot of people get stuck when they try to pick a niche. I'm just telling you, I just made a step-by-step plan for you to pick a niche, and now you've got it, and now you're ready to go. Make your list of 10 major categories in that niche. Then it's time to create some content on there. If nothing else, put that niche in ChatGPT if you want to, and say, give me 10 really good video ideas. And they'll give you 10 good video ideas. But we want this to be content you know how to make, content you can speak of. All right? All right, subscribe, follow for more. We'll continue this on. We'll make you profitable in 2025. All right, thanks, guys.